As an educational representative for the Thompson School District in Loveland, Colorado, I visit over a dozen schools every week. This gives me a unique perspective as to the everyday trials and triumphs of the teachers in those schools. I'm Drew Holmes, owner of Boomer Music Company. Come with me as I show you the view from the road. Well, greetings and welcome to the View from the Road, my weekly video where I kind of give you a seat in the van along with me, and we visit all the schools in the Thompson School District and try to do what we can to help music here in town. Well, there's a saying, and I've really taken this one to heart, that tough times and challenges don't build character, they reveal it. And I really had a great example of that this past week. As you know, because I've been talking about it, our shop has been really slammed with repairs and behind, and thank you all so much for your support through that and for using our shop. We're very, very proud of our repair shop, but we have definitely, with the volume of work and with the illnesses that we've had to overcome, it's put us behind. And part of that, there was last week a Barry Sachs specifically, and Barry Sachs is notorious for always needing lots of work and adjustments and all that kind of stuff. Anyone who plays woodwinds would know that. That we have not been able to fix yet. And there's a kid that needs the horn. They literally don't have anything to play, and that's a challenge that we need to solve. Well, I cast a fairly wide net to try to see if anyone had a horn that they weren't using that this kid could borrow until it was fixed. And within the district, we had a teacher who said, yeah, I've got one, and they can borrow it. And that's what I'm talking about by revealing character. I love so much everyone in this town and how we come together with the common goal of trying to make sure that kids can love music by making music. That's kind of the mission of us at Boomer Music, and I really take that to heart and really put that as kind of the focus of what we're trying to do. So I really appreciate all of you for helping to solve this problem and make sure that kids are able to make music. But on a positive note, had a great one this morning. Being a brass player, specifically trumpet, I take for granted some knowledge that I have gained over the years, and I was helping a teacher that told me that she needed to send in a trumpet specifically for repairing euphonium. Well, the euphonium, I think, might need to come in. I think the first valve was a little bit dirty, but the trumpet, as soon as I saw it, I knew what the problem was. The third valve stem had come unscrewed inside the casing, and so the stem's just wobbling around. It looks horrible. I always liken it to like on a violin when the bridge falls down or the tail gut breaks and the strings fly everywhere. It looks a lot worse than it actually is. Well, I was able to disassemble the piston, put the spring in correctly, screw in the valve stem, and put it all back together again, and show her how to oil it the way that I do, and really take the time to instruct when this happens again, how to do it and how to fix it. So first of all, it takes the pressure off our shop because I didn't bring in an instrument that then needed to be processed and all that. But second, I really enjoy sharing that kind of knowledge that I have. I mean, you've gained it over years, and I want to help educate the educators to be able to do stuff like that, because once again, our goal is to make sure that these instruments stay in the hands of kids and that they're able to effectively make music and not miss out on class time. So I was really thrilled to be able to not only fix that instrument, but take the time to help her understand what was going on and how to fix that problem. So if you're finding that you need a little bit of a refresher course or anything like that in small stuff of that sort, happy to help. Reach out to me. And I'm a brass specialist, for lack of a better term, but we've got folks that can help you kind of navigate some of those simple classroom repairs that are going to keep those horns up and running as fast as possible, as much as possible, to preserve that class time. So happy to have done that. So that's your view from the road. Comment below. Let me know what you think, what you want to see. Like, share, subscribe, and always check out the other videos in the channel, and we will catch up with you next time. Thank you for riding along and seeing the view from the road. If you liked this video, please share it with a friend. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, and you will never miss a new video. I'm Drew Holmes, owner of Boomer Music Company and educational representative for the Thompson School District in Loveland, Colorado. Thanks for watching.